So guys, I have had this machine for maybe 2 to 3 years now, 2 years, whatever. And this time, 5 minutes ago, it was producing sparks from around the switch box here. So I unplugged it, went to the circuit breaker, switched it on, returned. First I suspected that there was some mechanical abrasion somewhere in the moving parts which were producing the sparks. So it was plugged in but switched off, and then I went to open the hood to see if there were any issues inside. As soon as I opened it like this, then it got pitch black and the circuit breaker tripped again. So there was a short circuit somewhere inside the machine, so I now kept it unplugged and opened the switchboard here, and I found this. So when I unscrewed these screws and opened up the switch box, this is what I found. And here's the unprofessional wire splice. This is absolutely the way you don't do wire splices, because they are not safe. Here's where the electric arc was produced. This is where it got short-circuited. It even damaged the paint. This is a wire splice of the type you should never do, because they are not safe. Wire splices should look something like this, with plastic or rubber insulating around them, and they should be properly soldered. Even if you use a plastic connector, that's the best, basically. And this is kind of a homemade solution for people that don't care about electric safety. There's basically nothing to prevent this connection from touching anywhere inside the machine, in the metal components or other parts. Basically the reason why my circuit breaker tripped, because the grounding, the earth, is connected to the metal shell of the whole machine, and that's how it got short-circuited. I'm gonna have to repair this for now, but I got this from Lidl, but Aldi is also selling these in blue, and maybe Obi is selling these in orange, or I'm not sure, Bauhaus in red. So these are widely available all across Europe. It doesn't say the oh, it says Grizzly Tools. Still, it's made in Germany. But this one is not safe. Guys, don't do this, please. My DIY friends, if you have this machine, then I guess it's a good idea to just open it up beforehand. See if you have the same hand-twisted wire splice here, without any soldering, because I mean soldering wire splices greatly enhances electric conductivity. This is not even soldered, and it's not covered. You have these shrink tubes, the plastic heat shrinking tubes. It doesn't have even that. It has nothing. It's just loose like that. I'm not sure if it's designed this way, because if it is, then shame on you, chief designer. I'm not sure if it's just unfinished, because then shame on you, whoever assembled this. But the quality control should have prevented this. So guys, if you have this, you should check it. My circuit breaker tripped and it saved my life this time, but other customers might not be this lucky. So this is a point to make. Stay safe.